Meow. Meow. Stretch. Just working on getting some nice fluid lines in for this lovely stretchy kitty. Really quick gesture lines. Tails are great. You can shape them how you want, to a degree. And I decided to bring it back in more this way just to keep the unity in the drawing, to keep everything together. To lead the eye back in where it belongs. And I do that, have this at double speed, so I don't quite draw this fast. Get the ear line in. I wanted it a little bit more of a tilt there. And then we'll get some lines in here to help me place the eyes and the snout. Need a sharper pencil to darken up some of these lines now. Should be more defined. The lines that I like. I'm just getting some little round circles in to start the paws. Yeah, I realized I put that one in the wrong spot. That was between paws there. So just a gesture, and it turns into a little more. Not everywhere in the drawing though, because I like to keep that sketchy look. Even my totally so-called finished, polished works, I really try to preserve the sketchy look to some degree. This is just a practice sketch. But you can take it in many directions. More than anything, if I want to do one on good paper, I usually do at least 3 practice sketches in my sketchbook to learn the shape and form of each pose. Get it, tighten up a little bit more when it comes to placing the eyes. And feeling out where the nose goes. Not much of a mouth visible in this one. So you got to be careful not putting in things that you don't see. Otherwise you'll lose that face turned down look. Not so much, not much of a mouth, but not much of a chin, I guess. Not much under the mouth line. Tiny details. Less is more. Only the important details. And just a suggestion of toe lines. Maybe got that one in the wrong spot. Well, we'll work with it. Now I've sped it up to 8 times the speed because we're just going to get the finishing touches on. Drop me a comment. I love to hear from you. Tell me about your cat's name, whatever, where you live, or what you want to learn about cat drawing. I'd love to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.